the spotlight in the Tunisha Sharma death case is now turned to the war of versions between the two families, which has now intensified. Today, Shehzan's family in the latest broke their silence for the first time on record, spoke about what really were the allegations that were leveled in the first place by Tunisha's family. Now remember, this includes allegations of forced conversion that were leveled by the family. Rejecting these claims, Shehzan's family has said that the picture of Tunisha in hijab being circulated is part of a shoot. She behaved differently, allegedly started speaking Urdu under the pressure of Shehzan and his family. Listen in to these different versions coming in from the two families.
हिजाब डालती थी और मुस्लिम लैंग्वेज वो अपनी यूज कर रही थी।
ये पिक्चर में उसने हिजाब पहना हुआ है और ये क्योंकि उनका ऑलरेडी सीन शूट हो रहा था, जिसमें ये देखिए, ये वो एपिसोड का है जो एपिसोड टेलीकास्ट हुआ है, एपिसोड 21 14 सितंबर।
मेरी मांग यही है कि मेरे को इंसाफ दिलाया जाए, इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जाए कि ये सुसाइड है कि मर्डर है। मेरे ख्याल में महीना 1.5 महीना हो गया है तुनिशा का बिहेवियर चेंज था। वो
उनके माँ ने और उनके सो कॉल्ड पवन शर्मा, जो अपने आप को उनका मामा कहते हैं, पवन शर्मा तुनिशा के फॉर्मर मैनेजर थे और उनको उनके फॉर्मर मैनेजर के पोस्ट से निकाल दिया गया था 4 साल पहले, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही इंटरफियर करते थे, तुनिशा के ऊपर बहुत ही हार्श रहा करते थे वो।
So yes, now that we've heard from both the families, earlier of course it was Tunisha's mother who came out with those very serious allegations. Today, after so many days, for the first time, several members of Shehzan's family have spoken up. These are the two versions for you to really understand what is being said by the two families and what are the questions that come to light with regards to these two very contradictory versions. Of course, this is what Tunisha's family claims, that she was made to learn Urdu, she was made to wear hijab in apparent signs of why an attempt was being made to convert her. This is in opposition the claim that is being made by Shehzan's family that never did they make her wear a hijab. The picture that's gone viral on social media is in fact from the time when they were shooting for a scene of the TV serial, and this raises the question, viewers, why would she call Shehzan's mom Amma? So this is something that's been highlighted by Tunisha's mother. So it doesn't quite add up still, because Tunisha's mother has said that she started speaking Urdu, she was expected to wear a hijab, started referring to terms such as Amma, but not quite adding up if we compare the two versions. Of course, no clarity or conclusion of course can be reached upon with regards to what has been said by the two. If we talk about Tunisha's family, earlier on her mother went on to say that there was a big change in Tunisha's behavior. This is once again with regards to how she was trying to adopt to several Islamic ways of life. In opposition to what Shehzan's family has said, that her uncle and her mother used to control her life, and this is very sensational indeed, because not only according to Shehzan's family members did they have a control over her life, but also used to allegedly control her funds. This once again raises the question as to why was the shoot hijab picture projected as conversion bid? Why was it being said by the family of Tunisha if it was just a picture from when the two were shooting for a scene of the TV serial? Why was this misused, if at all, by Tunisha's family? This is another claim that was made earlier by Tunisha's family. Shehzan dated other girls and cheated on her, something that her mother said was confided to her by Tunisha itself. Shehzan's family, on the other hand, maintains that Tunisha and her mother were in fact involved. They were the ones who were very, very close to Shehzan. This is another claim coming in from Tunisha's family, that Shehzan used to take drugs on the sets, as opposed to what is being said by Shehzan's family, that our family used to celebrate her birthdays. We used to get together, including Tunisha's mother, in attendance, and we used to do all of these celebrations together. So why is it that things don't quite add up? These are very contradictory versions. We in fact also spoke to Shehzan's sister, who's also once again come out and called out the quote-unquote lies of Tunisha's mother. Sister, though, has come out to confirm that yes, they were not in a relationship anymore, but also said that it was a mutual breakup and they maintained a friendly relationship ever since. Listen in.
जो ब्रेकअप ही हुआ था ना उन दोनों का, वो ब्रेकअप बहुत एक अच्छे नोट पे हुआ था। तो ब्रेकअप होते हैं ना, एक होता है कि
टॉक्सिक झगड़े वाले,
झगड़े वाला, and then they are on the same page that okay, we were in a relationship, and you know, whatever reason, I'm just giving you the example.
Okay.
And these are two things. So this, इनका जो ब्रेकअप हुआ था वो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ हुआ था, जो कि प्रूफ भी एविडेंस के साथ में दिया गया है, जो पुलिस के पास है, क्योंकि केस चल रहा है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है. We cannot tell you exact things, and but it was very clear that उनका जो ब्रेकअप हुआ था बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग में हुआ था और बहुत म्यूचुअली डिसाइड करके हुआ था कि वो किस लेवल का था, क्या था. शी वाज डीलिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमा, दैट इज ट्रू एंड वेरी ऑब्वियस, जो उसने खुद में भी इंटरव्यूज में एडमिट किया है.
So yes, those are the various versions coming to light at the moment. Let's quickly play out that reaction of Shehzan's sister speaking to Times Now, saying that Tunisha and Shehzan had broken up already and that she was being traumatized. That's the sister's version, as we just put out. In the meanwhile, Shehzan's family also shared a voice note from Tunisha to Shehzan's mother, wherein she can be heard saying that you meant a lot to me. She even called her mother. Listen it.
आप मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखते हो अम्मा, बहुत ज़्यादा. आपको अब जानते भी नहीं हो, इसलिए आपसे हर बात शेयर करने का मन करता है. इसलिए मेरे जहन में जो भी होगा मैं आपको बताऊंगी, लेकिन पता नहीं मुझे खुद नहीं पता मुझे क्या हो रहा है.
Let's now play out another reaction. This one's from Tunisha's friend, Raya Labib, who's been extremely vocal since the beginning of this investigation, who this time around has come out to accuse Shehzan of controlling Tunisha.
कुछ महीने पहले मैंने दोनों को साथ में देखा हाजी अली जाते हुए. हाजी अली के अंदर की तरफ जा रहे थे और मैं हाजी अली से बाहर निकल रही थी, तो तभी मैंने दोनों को साथ में देखा. बट दोनों एक ठीक ठाक लुक में थे. तुनिसा हिजाब पहनी थी.
हिजाब पहना था.
हिजाब.
तो आपने फिर कैसा पहचाना हिजाब पहन?
नहीं, उसकी आई मीन फेस बाहर निकला हुआ था, तो दूर से वो मुझे हाय बोलते हुए गई. जब भी वो शेजान के साथ रहती है तो ज्यादा बात करती नहीं है, तो वही मतलब नॉर्मली एक बातें जो होती है, अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को कंट्रोल में रखते हैं, अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को सलवार कमीज में देखना पसंद करते हैं, तो वो साड़ी एक्सेट्रा बातें.
Let's open this up. We have Tunisha's friend Raya Labib joining us on the broadcast along with actress Manvi Taneja. Raya Labib, I want to first come to you. Raya, आपने शुरू से ये बोला है कि कुछ सही नहीं लगता था, कि वो काफी चिंतित लगती थी. अब शहजान की फैमिली बाहर आके बोल रही है कि जो भी ये पिक्चर है जो वायरल गई है, जो सोशल मीडिया पे दिख रही है, जिसमें तुनिशा हिजाब पहने दिख रही है, ये तो एक शूट की पिक्चर है. तो इस पिक्चर को लेके क्यों यूज किया जा रहा है, रादर मिसयूज किया जा रहा है, कि कंट्रोल किया जा रहा था शहजान के खानदान की ओर से तुनिशा को, उसको फोर्स किया जा रहा था हिजाब पहनने को. प्रूफ का है राया?
मैंने हाजी अली जाते हुए देखा. जब मैं हाजी अली से बाहर निकल रही थी तब भी मैंने हिजाब में देखा. बट अभी दोनों सूट से बाहर निकल के हाजी अली गया था या एग्जैक्टली शेजान खान उसको फोर्स करता था, इस बात का कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है. क्योंकि जब भी तुनिसा मुझे बोलती थी कि शेजान पसंद करता था, शेजान पसंद करता है वो सलवार कमीज में बाहर निकले, वो दुपट्टा लेके बाहर निकले, लेकिन ये नहीं बोला था उसने कि मुझे फोर्स करता था हिजाब पहनने के लिए, कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा उर्दू बोलने को फोर्स करता है, मुझे इसके लिए मतलब टॉर्चर करते हैं. तो ये बातें उसने नहीं बोली, इस टाइप उसने बोला ही नहीं. हाँ, शेजान पसंद करता था, उसने बोला कि शेजान पसंद करता था. शेजान ने मुझे शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस में बाहर निकालते हुए नहीं देखना चाहता था. वो ऑलवेज मुझे सलवार कमीज या मैं फुल ड्रेसेस में या मैं दुपट्टा लेके हुए बाहर निकलूं, तो वही चाहता है, वो पसंद करता था. तो ये बातें उसने मुझसे बोली थी.
चलिए, आप बता रही हैं कि तुनिशा ने आपसे खुद बोला कि शहजान सलवार कमीज में उन्हें पसंद करता था, छोटे कपड़ों में उन्हें पसंद नहीं करता था. ये एक बात रही. आपने अभी जो हमने रिएक्शन चलाया उसमें ये भी बोला कि शहजान कंट्रोलिंग था, काफी डोमिनेटिंग था. तो इस नतीजे पे आप कैसे पहुंची राया?
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली जब भी वो मैं मिलती थी वो कुछ डिप्रेशन में रहती थी, वो बहुत ज्यादा फोन पे झगड़ा झुगड़ी चलता था. वो मुझे इंटरनल बातें बोलना ही नहीं चाहती थी। इवन वो इंटरनल बातें किसी को नहीं बोलती है। वो ऑलवेज, मतलब जब मैं गहराई से पहुंची कि कुछ तो बात जरूर होगा, इतना झगड़ा किसके साथ चलता है तुम्हारा, ये डिप्रेशन के कारण कौन है, कहीं तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड तो नहीं है, तो वो ऑलवेज हाँ बढ़ती थी, हाँ वही हाँ ही बढ़ती थी। जब भी मैंने पूछा उसको कि बॉयफ्रेंड कंट्रोल नहीं करते ना तुम्हें, बॉयफ्रेंड ही होगा ना।
निशा ने जो स्टेप लिया उसके पीछे, तो these are things that we can't quite conclude as yet, but I want Manvi also to come in. Manvi, are you quite convinced with what Raya is saying, and if at all, do you think that could have had any role to play in Shehzan's involvement in what her mother is coming out, Tanisha's mother is coming out to say and accuse Shehzan of?
See, a coin always have to, there's some echo with my voice. A coin always have two sides. So far, what we got to know from one side of the story from Tanisha's mother, and now, since now we have heard the other side of the story from Shehzan's mother and sister also, that there are major facts which have come out, and some facts you would also be able to relate it. Tanisha mom was more inclined towards publicity, media, and limelight, and now also she is doing the same thing. And Tanisha was a very simple girl. She was a very family-oriented girl. I also have an example, by listening to both the versions, I got to know that they were throwing two parties. It was a birthday coming up on 4th of Jan, and they were throwing two parties. One, Shehzan's sister was planning a party on the 3rd of January. Reason being that she never wanted to have a very gala party. It was a very close-knit party with no media involvement. And on the other hand, on 4th Jan, her mother was arranging a party with all paparazzi and glamour. See, the statements are different. They have
that's fine.
different versions.
But don't you think
Some
Shehzan's family should have come out and cleared the air sooner? Because these are very serious allegations being leveled by Tanisha's mother, and since day one, she was accusing the family of forcefully trying to convert Tanisha, Shehzan of cheating on Tanisha, you know, him having played the biggest role in what led Tanisha to take that extreme step, and yet the family did not break their silence for the longest time. If they had so much proof, and if they had this voice note, if they really had more and more details of what really transpired between the two, and they were in the know-how of things, shouldn't they have spoken earlier, in your view?
No, they must be waiting for the charge sheet to be submitted, because since there are two versions now, and both the versions are totally different from what Tanisha's mother has said and what Shehzan family is saying. So I believe there is a need of some medical intervention, some polygraphy test, because they as in the investigating officers, they need to come to a conclusion, because seeing both the versions, they are different. Some test would have helped them to come to some conclusion, I guess.
But how do you read into what the family is saying now? Because, you know, they've come out with pointed allegations against the mother, against the role she played, against how she allegedly misused Tanisha's funds, how Tanisha was not quite happy with her uncle's involvement in decision-making issues in the family, and so on and so forth. There's a whole list that they've now put out. Do you think this could be a turning point in the case?
Yes, of course, it could be a turning point, because see, the mom is putting allegation that and the panel who's speaking before, she's also saying that Shehzan used to force her. So when Shehzan used to force Tanisha so much, then why she was with him? Imagine Shehzan slapping Tanisha and there's no action. A mother would have filed a complaint against Shehzan. She did not speak. There was no word of complaint from her at that time. And now again, every day, because everyone knows there's some political party which are backing Tanisha's mother. That's why a new allegation is coming every day. She also said that Shehzan was a drug abuser. She did not utter a word at that time. And imagine, mothers are always protective. And the panel who is with me, and she would also agree, mothers are very protected. And if she could see that Shehzan is literally torturing her daughter, why she was forcing her to Shehzan? He had a breakup 15 days back. She was not getting over with Shehzan.
Raya, क्या कहेंगी?
Mother.
मानवी बोल रही है कि अगर तुनिशा की माता श्री को ये सब पता था कि शहजान उन्हें मारता है, कि शहजान उसे चीट कर रहा है, और अभी भी वो शहजान के खानदार और उनके साथ संबंध बनाए हुई है, तो उन्होंने पहले क्यों नहीं इंटरवीन किया?
शहजान क्या बोल रही? क्या कौन चीट कर रहे हैं, मतलब?
नहीं, शहजान की मदर ने आके बार बार ये बोला है ना कि शहजान उन पे चीट कर रहा था, कि उनकी फैमिली से वो मिल रही थी और उनको कन्वर्ट करने का अटेम्प्ट किया जा रहा था, कितना कुछ गलत हो रहा था उनके साथ। अगर इतना कुछ गलत हो रहा था तो पहले क्यों कुछ नहीं किया उनकी माताश्री ने?
शेजान के फैमिली ने शेजान की तरफ बोल रहे हैं, तुनिसा के फैमिली ने तुनिसा की तरफ बोल रहे हैं। अगर
बट ये सब तो तुनिशा की मदर ने बोला है ना राया, ये सारे एलिगेशंस तुनिशा की मदर ने आगे डाले हैं मीडिया में, पब्लिक डोमेन में, तो उन्होंने कोई लीगल एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया? अगर वो मारता था तो कोई कंप्लेंट क्यों नहीं फाइल की? पहले क्यों नहीं उन्होंने इंश्योर किया कि वो इसको आगे लेके जाए? क्या पता आज ये सब ना होता।
हाँ, अगर मारते हुए देखा उन्होंने तो एक्शन लेना चाहिए था, तुनिसा से बात करना चाहिए था, तुनिसा को समझाना चाहिए था। ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि उन्होंने तुनिसा को समझाया तो तुनिसा ने बोला होगा कि मॉम सुधर जाएगा, थोड़ा टाइम दो, हो सकता है वो
Well, what's interesting, Raya, is that the mother maintains at this point in time that she did try and confront Shehzan on the sets of the show, but the family of Shehzan has now come out to say that our relationship with Tunisha was brilliant, that she used to confide in us, she used to in fact refer to Shehzan's mother as Amma or his own mother, and they've put out that voice note. So very, very contradictory versions coming to light. We're going to have to leave it at that. We continue to track that very closely. Thank you both of you for joining us on this broadcast.